If you love AI, automation, and making money online, you are in the right place. Today, I will show you how to use coloringbook.ai to create stunting AI generated coloring pages and how to monetize them. By the end of this video, you will be able to start your own digital coloring book business. And guess what? It's beginner friendly and you don't need any design skill. I also have a special link in the description below for you to get started. Hey guys, welcome to Josh Digitals, where you learn, create, and monetize with AI. Make sure to subscribe to Josh Digitals so you never miss out on powerful AI tools and passive income stream. Let's dive in. But before we dive in, I want to use this opportunity to say a big thank you to the 841 subscribers on my channel. You guys are the one that is keeping me and helping me to build this channel, helping me to put out content like this. I'm very grateful, and you guys' support mean the world to me. I have a Telegram group, and I will be dropping the link in the description below, where I want to create a community where all of us can communicate, relate, and ask your question should in case you have any difficulty or confusion. Also, don't forget to use the comment section to tell me which country you are watching from. Thank you. So let's dive in. So once you get into this website like this, the next thing you need to do is to click on start free now. So you have to click on that. So once you click on that, it will take you to this page. Now I've been testing this site. So what you need to do, there are several ways for you to create, or let me say there are two ways for you to create this coloring book. The first is for you to use an image, a colored image, and it will convert it to a black and white where people can color, or you can use a text. Now these are the two ways where you can uh, design books. So let's look at each of them uniquely. Now the first is to grab an image. So you can download your image already, or if you already have an image, you download the image and then you upload it. Now once you get here, just click on this place you see upload content. So once you click on upload content, make sure you have that image you want to select in mind. Let's say you want to select an image. So once you grab the image, the next thing you need to do now, if you are using an image that have a face like a face of a human being, you have to just click here to preserve the face. Then you can remove the background, or you can upscale the image. Then also you can choose the number of image you want to generate from it. Then also you can keep it as private, which will only allow you to see it. No other people or no anybody can see it, and that is also using this coloring book. Then also you can remove the watermark. Now just click on generate, and it will take away two tokens from here. So just click on generate. So once you click on generate, on your right hand side, if you see this is the car uploaded, this is it. So you can upload maybe cars. You can do a coloring book for cars where you do a coloring book. So you scroll down. Once you scroll down, once you have done this, you just decide to pick the one you want. So let's say I'm picking this one. Please, there are two formats you can download them. You can download them either in PDF or in PNG. So, but my advice for you is download it in PNG, because once you download it in PNG, you now have to compile them together in Canva and form your book. So the advice is download them in PNG. So you'll be downloading them in PNG. Then the next thing is you can also come here to this place you see text and also write your text. So let's say I want to design a car. I can say a car, maybe cyber truck, just something like that. Now, also why I like this text is that you can also decide to pick the difficulty level, either you are creating the book for toddler, for children, for teenage, or for adults. So let's say we are creating the book for teenagers. Also, we can change or decide to pick any of the dimension we want. So we can pick 2 by 3, 1 by 1, or 3 by 2 landscape. So once we leave it at that, then you can also decide to pick the number of generation you want. Then you scroll down and click on generate. So once you click on generate, it will start generating again, just like you see from the previous one. It will be generating on your right hand side here. And once it is done generating, you see, you can compile this into what you want and put it in the book. So download it also as a PNG file. So once you just click on download, it will download as a PNG file. So once you are done downloading it as a PNG file, the next thing you have to do is to head over to Canva and put them inside Canva as a book. So what do I mean? So you just come here to Canva. If you don't have a Canva account, you can sign up. So after you've done that, you have to put them into a book. So how do you put them into a book? Just come to Canva. Once you come to Canva, I want you to come here and search for uh, coloring book. So once you search for coloring book, you scroll down, this is it. So there are lots and lots of coloring books you can see, also book covers, and look at just what you can use. So you can also search for car coloring book since we are specializing on car. So I can just click here and search for car coloring book. Click on enter. So you see, right? So let's pick this. So I'm picking that, the first one. So also apart from that, you can also see some other designs that you can pick from, like something you're seeing here, right? So these are some other design. So just click on customize this template. So once you have that template, all the designs you've added, so let's just click on add new page. So once you click on add new page, delete, just delete the ones you see, then drag here and drop. So just drag and drop. So you have to expand this to fit into your page. So there are two ways you can create this page. It's either you're using what they call the bleed and the no bleed. The bleed means you want everything to stand from the beginning up to the end of the page, just like you see it like this here. So it means everything is going to be printed using the bleed, but the no bleed is you giving a space, like a space for the design to have a space to breathe, so that once they are printing, any cut that is done on it, it won't touch the end. So this is the no bleed. So the bleed means you are covering everything, while the no bleed is you don't want it to touch the margin of the book. So you get that, right? So this is the no bleed. So once, sorry, this is the bleed. Now once you're done, depending on the style you want, so once you're done in adding the, okay, let me just add some pages just for this tutorial. So just let me drag another one and drop. So let me just drop this. I know this is an elephant, but I just wanted you to understand what I'm saying. So I was testing them out yesterday. I just had to put that in. So let's add the other ones. So this is another one. Just expand this. Can expand. So this and that car, right? So you can decide to delete the edge, like making them not show. So this is it. So once you're done, depending on the kind of design you want. So once you're done, the next thing is to click on share here. So once you click on share, you just click on download, and also keep it as a PDF, not PNG now, because and also keep it as standard. Then you can flatten. Then you can just click on this place and download. So once you download the PDF standard version, the coloring book, blah blah blah. Then the next thing you want to do is to make money from it. You want to make money from it. So how do you do that in making money from it? So there are several options. I will talk about three options, but I'll be showing you how to use the last option. So the first option is for you to publish this book you've designed on Amazon. So I have a video on that, which I extensively teach you how to do that, and I'll be keeping the video in the description also, and also in the top right corner you'll see a link. After this, you can watch on that on how to publish on Amazon. I'll be keeping the video on the description, so you can use that as a method. Then you can also publish on ST. Now you can publish there, or you can publish on Gumroad. Gumroad, sorry, on Gumroad. You can publish on Gumroad. Now, I'll be showing you how to publish on Gumroad. Now, the reason why I'm going to be teaching you how to publish on Gumroad is that you don't have to pay any money or register with any fee for you to create an account there. You just have to put in your price. But the only issue is once you publish on Gumroad, the thing you need to do is you need to have a print demand or a printed copy, not just the soft copy. So you need to have the printed copy. Now, once you have the printed copy, so once a buyer is buying from the Gumroad account, he's buying from there. Once he's buying, he's going to be paying you. Let's say you bought your book for maybe $30 or $15, $20, depending on the price you tag on the book. Once the person pays, then you have to ship the book to the person. So you have to be the one doing it as a business for yourself. But on Amazon, Amazon does everything for you. They are the one that will package the book. You just have to upload the printed version. Sorry, the ebook version. You just have to upload the ebook version. Once you upload the ebook version, Amazon will do the whole uh, shipping, delivery, the printing and everything for you, but they will be picking the price out from the price you fix on their site. So this is just the difference between publishing on Amazon or publishing on Gumroad. Now, let's go in. Let me show you what you do. So for you to publish on Gumroad, just have to go to Gumroad. This is it, e-commerce company. So you can just click here and sign up with them or create your account. So if you don't have an account, just click on start selling here at the top. So you just log in with your Google account. So pick your Google account. Just for me to say this, more than 80% of people that are watching my channel have not yet subscribed. Please, I'll be asking you to subscribe, as this month I want to clock I want our channel to clock 1000 subscribers this February. So I want you to hit the subscribe button as a way of showing your appreciation to the channel. I'm very grateful for you being here. So once you continue here on Gumroad like this, so they'll send you an email with a notification code. Just go to your email, get the code, and paste it there. So just get the code on Gumroad. So just come here. So this is the token, 9 stuff, blah blah blah. Just copy this, come over here, paste the code, then click on login. Now once you click on login, the next thing is you will see a blank page like this where you can create your first product. Click on there. That the next thing is you have to put your product name. So let's say coloring or car coloring book, since I created for car coloring book. Okay. Now once you've done that, now the next thing they will ask you is it a digital product? Is it a course? Is it an ebook? So if it's an ebook, just click on ebook. We are creating an ebook. Then once you do that, the next thing is you scroll down and also fix your price. So let's say I'm selling the book for $19. I'll put my price. And once I do that, I'll click on next. Now this is the book. Now I also have to put the description of the book, and also this is the URL for the book. I can also put my custom domain, but I don't have a custom domain, and I will also upload the cover of the book. So what you need to do is to just create your cover using this format, 1280 by 720 pixel. So you have to create that and upload the book cover. So once you upload the book cover, you can also upload the thumbnail, like some of the areas you want to be discovered in the pages of the book. Then you click on save and continue. Then you can also put the content if you want. You can put some of the content of the book. You can share and all those other things there. So what you need to do is once you're done with this, you just click on save, and that's all with Gumroad, and you can start selling this product. But you have to have the product, you have to have it printed in your hands, so that once they make a request for the book, you can now sell this book out. And the reason why I'm saying this is that the whole royalty comes to you. You don't share the royalties like you do with Amazon. So it means once you do, maybe each of the printed version of this book might cost you maybe um let's say $3 to print or $5 to print. So you can sell it for $19. So what you just need to do is just to subtract the printed and the shipping and everything, maybe cost you $8. So once you do all the whole shipping and calculation of the deduction of the printing and of the shipping, maybe everything costing you $10 or $8 thereabout. Once you subtract it from the $19, you are left with $9. So if you sell 100 of those books, you get nine. You get 9 times because we are selling the book for $19. So once you remove $10 from it, you're left with $9. So if you are able to sell 100 of those books, you are able to get $900. So imagine in a month you are getting $900 from each of this book. It means you are in business, and this can go for a lifetime, and you don't have to pay any money to Gumroad. You just have to continue. Then you have to put your sales flow and workflow. You can also do an email automation from there. So maybe I will be creating a video and teaching you in detail on how to use Gumroad. This is just one of the many AI powered money making ideas I share on this channel. So if you are serious about growing online, hit that subscribe button now. Now, if you are excited to try this too, I have got a special link in the description. Click my affiliate link to access coloringbook.ai and start creating your own design. Bonus, if you sign up using my link, I will send you a free guide on how to make money selling AI coloring books. Just comment below once you sign up. Let me know in the comments what AI coloring pages idea you will create first. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to George Digitals, your shortcuts to success with AI and digital skills. See you in the next video. Bye.